Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I'm doing actually something different today. And today we're playing Animal Company. And I've gotten people from Publix. Got yellow and red. Everybody called him red, everybody called him yellow, everyone called me blue.
Nah, call me Jolt.
Alright, everyone called him Jolt, everyone called him yellow, call me blue.
Wait a minute, what's my username?
I don't even know. Alright, first,
just call me
we
yellow.
need a backpack. So let's buy one.
I already got my backpack. My total of money is $38.
So let's go!
I'm going to Rock Monkey.
Rock Monkey? What is that? Do you mean like where the little rock thing is?
Yappuccino.
Yappuccino, that's crazy. Bro must have went to Yappa Starbucks and he must have got a Yappuccino.
That's how I go.
It's crazy.
Yappuccino.
Nah, bro, don't drink. Here, bro.
Guys, we gotta go
Yellow.
No, we don't. Let's go get the
Yappuccino. Here, eat the Yappuccino. There you go.
But where did Red go?
This way.
No, I mean, where did Joel go?
He went this way.
No, I'm still. Oh, heck no. I want to get the giant banana. No. Giant Coca-Cola.
Alright, I'm gonna go get the loot that's over here. See ya.
This is a good place to loot. Alright, okay, get that. I'm going where the red light, green light is. Don't move. Okay, now you stop.
I didn't move.
That's great. Join 789.
What the signal?
That did not work out, guys.
Curse you, red light, green light. I didn't even move. I'm going back to get my loot.
No, we have to buy it back. Never mind.
Red light, green light cheated. The guy behind me moved, not me, and then he killed me. Yo, saw that. I was still as the rock that's in there.
Guys, we gotta get the egg. Guys, let's go get the egg. Hello?
What's up?
I can't move.
Did you already get everything?
I got everything.
No, you didn't. Bro, look at all the good loot.
Hello?
He just got all the stuff that he thought was good. Oh, that was pretty good.
I'm just sending my stuff and I'll come to chicken. I promise. Can you hear me?
Yes.
I got the very, very good loot.
Alright, I'm teleporting back. Yo, red. Wait. I'm at the sell machine.
Whoa. Behind you.
Whoa, how much are we gonna get from this?
I don't know. I got 8,000. Ding. Dang, you had a lot. Oh. What? Alright.
Backpack.
I don't know where the other dude went, but let's go to the chicken.
Hey,
Yo.
where you at?
Wait, hold on.
Yellow.
Where'd you go? Yellow might be cooked.
Yo, are you a chicken?
Let's go to chicken, try to find him.
No, let's go try to find my chicken.
Cause someone was talking about the chicken.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was yellow.
Cause it wasn't me. Cause I went to the rock dude. Cause I died
You
because
did the
yellow
rock monkey
moved,
with me.
and the rock dude killed me. No, not the rock dude. Red light, green light killed me, even though yellow moved. Here's how we'll know if yellow's here. The chicken will probably be
Yellow.
Yellow. Oh,
No,
he's not here.
that chicken is not moving. I'm gonna distract you.
Go, go, go.
Okay, yeah,
Go.
we did.
Let's go sell. Let's go sell.
Where's Yellow? Did he leave the code?
I think yellow's gone. Dang.
There's a
That's
good
why.
chance he
That's
left
why
the
I was
code
fine with yellow coming. Because one of y'all might
Yellow,
have to
where
go,
are
and then I
you?
wouldn't have anybody else.
down. Yeah,
Rest
I
in
think
peace,
Yellow
Yellow.
left.
Wait, I think I hear yellow.
Where?
I don't know. I think I hear something.
Same, I think I saw him.
Yellow, is that you?
I did too. Yellow.
Are you yellow?
Say something.
It's yellow.
Yellow!
Yellow. Wait, there's two.
Yellow, what's up? What the? Which one? Which yellow's yellow? Wait, let me see their usernames.
Oh,
Let me see their
fuck.
usernames. Let me see their usernames. This is the real yellow. This is the real yellow. I know
Yeah,
this is
this is yellow. Yellow. No, you're
Were you the one that was making the video?
Yeah.
Alright. Can someone... Guys, I was in another lobby. I just disconnected for some reason.
Oh. I thought you died.
Yeah,
I could buy a shotgun. Alright guys, later in the video, we're gonna go to a public or something, or we're gonna go to like a public code, and I'm gonna buy a shotgun.
I have $2,267.
I want candy.
Oh, guys, let's all go. Let's all go and get some money.
Yeah,
I need more
because
money.
in it, like a couple $100s, I can buy a shotgun.
Get rockets. We need anglers. We need to go to get anglers. Blue.
Light blue, come back to spawn. We need to get rockets for anglers. I got rocket.
Come on, light blue.
Hey,
And
that's
I'm okay
mine.
today.
Took mine. Alright, guys, let's roll.
I'm already gonna go to Angler.
Light blue, what can I call you?
You know what, guys? Let's just call each other short. Just short. You guys can call me Seabass. Cause my full name is my actual name is Sebastian.
Wait, hold on. What's your name on Oculus?
Sebastian Mo.
Huh, really? I thought I would be perp. Do not move.
Hold on, guys. Wait up.
No.
Bro's cooked.
I'm getting past Angler. Guys, I'm dying.
The rock can't climb.
Oh, I got rock monkey off. Come on, hurry.
Where'd you
This
go?
way.
Guys,
Don't leave. Hold on.
This way.
I'm looking for y'all. Guys, I found y'all. I'm coming.
Oh, Oh! I still have rockets.
Big banana. You do?
I can't
Mhm.
go in.
Bro, why are your arms so short? You could have died there.
Yeah, I completely said.
Is that gold bar? Diamond! Ruby!
I hear something, bro.
Yeah, don't go. It's something bad. I don't want to know.
It's a bomb guy.
But all the other good loot is this way. Run. Explosive! That's an explosive bomb. Run.
We're good, we're good. Come on.
Those things explode.
Yep.
Did it already explode or where did it go?
It exploded. Oh, there's another one.
Yeah, there always are.
Is there a landmine? Oh my god. Is this all loot over here or are there like tons of landmines?
There's a few landmines. No. I've actually never been over here. Is that a movie? No, run!
We killed him.
He exploded. Wait, let's go this way. What? I've actually never been this way.
Look on the map. It doesn't look like there's a lot of loot.
Where are you, Yellow?
Oh, don't tell me Yellow died again.
Ruby! No.
Whoa!
I have to get this.
Oh, no, where are you? Oh, no.
Put this in your backpack. Come on, this way.
Here, put it in the backpack. Put it in the backpack.
Just in case if it falls. It's not gonna be good. Put it on your back, hurry. Put it on your back and then come over here. Okay, open your backpack. It's in. Okay, let's go. We're good
Oh,
to go.
I think I'm out. I don't think I can. I think
Yellow,
my
where you
backpack's
at?
full.
I died.
Oh,
I don't know
Yellow
where to
died.
go.
We got so many rubies.
Dude.
Oh, let's
We're
go.
going.
First try. We need to go sell all this. What's wrong? You me. I
Now
need
do
to
you?
do all this.
Yellow, look how. Look, wait, don't sell it yet. Let's show Yellow. Let's show Yellow. Yellow, look. No, look. Yellow, look in there. Alright, so. Look how much. Look how. That, we're about to get a ton of money.
You're not wrong. A good $1,000. Yep, I knew it.
I'm at 10K.
Thank you. Get me a shotgun. I want
I'm
a
almost at
shotgun.
3,000.
I
I want
am
a shotgun.
exactly
Give me a
at 10K.
shotgun. Can I have a shotgun?
No. I'm gonna buy a shotgun.
Use it wisely.
We're gonna get more money and then we're gonna go to a public and I'm gonna buy a shotgun.
Shotguns.
So let's go loot some more.
Yes. Where do we go? Wait, where should we go? Let's go to the other rock monkey.
No,
Where's the
we
other
should-
rock monkey?
Guys, we should get the
Over here.
egg.
We already got the
Let's go
egg.
get Let's go get the egg.
We already did.
We have to go get the egg. Wait,
You
hold on.
did.
I don't think it's there because we got it earlier.
I think it respawned.
Yeah, remember when you
No,
remember
no,
when
wait,
you
it
got
does not respawn that
disconnected?
fast.
We got it while you were disconnected.
Yeah.
Cause we were on the way to the
There's
chicken,
no
and
way
because we
it
couldn't
respawned
find
that
you, so
fast.
we
It
tried.
does not
Because you were
respawn that
talking
fast.
about the chicken earlier, so we thought you went to the chicken.
It hasn't been that long.
It has been not that long. That's why.
See?
Yeah, there's nothing there. See, there's nothing there. Strap in, go. If you like this tattoo, say Hey everyone! Where's everyone? Wait, where's Yellow?
Yellow, where you at? I'm on the way.
Who's this guy?
I almost.
Oh, I couldn't tell
there
you from your
I'm the one
color.
who's making the video.
Your I know, but your color looked weird from under there. It looked like you were brown. No, this
guys,
way.
This is the place where I got it. It's super hard for me.
It gives a lot of good stuff.
Guys, I also got items.
Wait, you did?
I got 2 big Coca-Colas.
Oh yeah, those sell for like $30 each.
The 2 big Coca-Colas?
This way.
No,
We're gonna sell.
Okay, you guys can go sell.
Actually, no.
my
Let's get the loot.
backpack
Let's get the
ain't
loot.
full. Oh my gosh, I keep hitting my cord. Wait, where did y'all go?
I don't know why I'm putting my hands up. Didn't they patch this? What? They did not.
Should we go?
Oh, he mad. He running.
Oh, he
No
mad.
wonder he
Oh, he
attracted.
ran. Oh, he mad. Oh, he ran.
Oh, snap!
Nope, not get me.
Guys, run! Run!
Go to red light green.
What?
Oh!
He died.
I moved. It was me. It wasn't him. It was not him. He sacrificed himself. No, you could keep moving. You're good. Is that Ruby? Is that Ruby?
2 rubies.
Okay, but we need to do the other stuff. The other stuff where the rock monkey.
Yeah, we need to go to rock little. We need to go to that rock guy.
Yellow, you good?
I don't see yellow on the map.
Yellow, you good?
Don't move. Don't
I
move.
think
Don't
Yellow
move.
disconnected again.
How did you not get caught?
Wait, no, we have to go get all this other stuff. Big. Banana.
Oh, I'm full. I can't get any more stuff.
Eh?
Nope, I'm full.
I'm gonna go loot over here.
I'll bring. No. Let me hold that banana. Actually, never mind.
Okay, I can't hold any more stuff. So, click the button. Hurry. Click it.
I can't. There you go.
Yellow. Did Yellow disconnect again?
I don't know. I don't see him on the map.
Yeah. The heck did Yellow do? I think he disconnected.
Yep, I don't have anything. At least close to 1,000. Dang!
All that's crazy.
I got 11K.
I have 7,000K.
I say maybe like 100 more, like a couple hundreds, or like $1,000 more, and then we head to a public and I buy the shotgun.
To be honest, I'm gonna go get me a drink.
Because
I
I'm gonna need
disconnect-
a lot of ammo, you know. Because because a shotgun is $10,000 and ammo it's like
You
700.
have 11,000. Yeah, it's 700. I can afford
Or will
that.
you be able to buy ammo for me?
I don't know. Depending if we take turns on it. Like, you kill one monster and I kill one monster.
What about when I end the video, I give it to you? Or how about when I get off, I give it to you?
How about when you end the video, you give it to me and we just keep grinding?
That sounds fair. That sounds
How
fair.
about
That sounds fair.
That's not
All right, bet. I'll give it to you when we end the video. We need to go into the code 0123. Sometimes there's people in there.
0, 1, 2, 3.
Nope, nobody in here.
There is people.
What the? There's not a lot of people. All right, try code 1.
Yeah.
I just joined the code.
How much money I have?
All right, my game's glitched, guys. I'm gonna have to get out real quick and join back. It's fine. Just pretend this part was definitely not here. Ooh, green, my favorite color. Enter. I can't join one. Is it full? Enter. Enter. Random. Nothing's working. Bruh, code 2. Oh my god, bro. No one. 88. Enter. No one. 1. Enter. I can join any code. I can. Whoa!
Follow me.
It's
We're
somewhere.
gonna kill this monster that's in
Yeah, it's this thing. I'm holding it right here.
Did you download the game?
They're getting.
They downloaded the game. Press one button. Did you
Yeah,
download
there's
it?
something.
Got it, boys.
That
You
button?
should always get.
Yeah! I found the flashlight. I know!
Ayo! Green,
Where's his
behind
tail?
you.
This is a chicken.
We stop putting other people.
Yo.
Guys, I'm on the moon.
You fucking
Why I jumped?
Can you stop? Scared.
Oh, I'm also on the moon.
What? Kill me. I'm new, bro. I don't know how to play.
Show me your money.
Yo,
Show
wait,
me your
you wanna
money.
play
Show me
this
your money.
death
Show me
game
your
I
money
found?
then.
Wait, who wants to play Death Game?
Huh?
Why does
Take that.
everybody have a freaking shotgun?
What person gets into the
It's not
Shut
bad.
up.
flashlight? I'll press one button.
Backpack from you. That's how to get a free backpack.
Please do not shoot me with a
I
gun.
want the backpack.
I'll explode you with the grenade.
Woo!
I'm not bluffing.
Give me my gun.
Then I'll still.
How do you play this? Some people keep stealing mine.
Please.
I don't know where my backpack is.
Want some of it?
Alright, no.
Shoot
Trying to
him.
get that shotgun so bad,
Shoot
bro.
me,
He
man,
wants
shoot me.
it so bad.
Shoot me.
Got
shoot
you.
me. Flashbang.
Alright.
He wanted to be shot, so.
How do you get money in this game?
Yo, pink. Flashbang. Put a bullet
Do you
on
want to be
me.
shot with the
Put a
shotgun?
bullet. Hey, pink. If you shoot me, then I'll give you ammo. See, I have it back. Thank God.
How many monkeys died in there?
Pay me up, sir. Sir, he's not here yet.
You haven't let me finish my talking, so I'm not giving you no money.
Okay, finish your talk.
You got your own money. Ha ha. Try and get me now,
Please
ha.
stop going inside of the rocket ship. It's not encrypted.
Don't come with me.
I don't want to go to space.
How do you play this game, guys? In the machine.
Come here, Green. I don't, what is this?
Oh!
Try and get me now. Monkey.
No! I don't have enough for any more ammo. I need people to just grind.
Everybody, do you want to play
Look, I don't have ammo to shoot anymore.
11 people have
I just need people to grind.
I'll get you some ammo.
I'll just say if you lend me,
I got some ammo.
in the machine. I'm gonna extract.
hey, if you lend me,
But you'll have to give
ammo,
me just.
when I run out,
You'll have
I'll
to let
you
me
have
give
the
one
shotgun when I
shot.
get off, or when I end the video. As long as you lend me some ammo.
Okay. Hey, can you give me the shotgun? I just want to shoot him. He bullied me earlier.
All right, who is it? Who is it?
Hum. It was hum.
Everybody's doing it.
Hum.
Everybody get in the rocket right now. Everybody get in the rocket right now. I dare you. Right now.
Got him.
Thank you. Now you can shoot me. By the way, here's this bag. Wait, don't shoot me.
I'm not gonna shoot.
Not just yet.
Can you give me my backpack back?
Now it's mine. You bullied me. I thought.
When? When did I die?
5 years ago.
Yo, who wants to play? Yo, who wants to get into the rocket ship and get sent to space? Please don't do that.
Y'all go get some money and
I
cook for
framed
me.
you.
I need money.
I framed you. Shoot you. Haha. I made Pink shoot you. Ha ha.
Get into the machine.
Emo.
Get into the machine.
Wait.
Okay, okay guys.
Can you shoot him for me?
Y'all blew it up.
Okay. Please! I'm sorry. Here.
Dang!
That was weird.
Oh,
Banana.
Jewelry! I have jewelry!
No. Put.
Everybody in the
bro.
machine!
Sorry.
Put it all in the machine!
alright, he forgave me. I mean, he gave it back.
Put it in there and you'll get a
Someone kind of stole your banana though.
machine and then put all this monkey stuff
Yeah.
in there.
I might will be.
Get out of here.
Where? You'll get so much money. Oh, I'm a.
Oh yeah, you did have it.
See a monkey? Hey, yo!
Ow!
Give him his banana back. Oh crap, I'm there.
Hey, chill.
Shoot them.
No,
Get them. Do you have money?
No,
I'll get you
I'm
money.
close. Oh, you don't have money either.
Ah, dang it. That's it. I'm exploding you.
Me?
Get over here.
Machine, it's gonna blow up. I'm telling you. It's gonna blow up.
Let's keep going.
Wait, how did you get a radio from it?
Oh, stake him up.
Banana
Put
now.
it in there.
My banana now. My banana
Where?
now.
Just do this.
My banana
Hey,
now.
you shoot that stupid person.
My banana now. My.
Shoot the guy with the banana.
No. He stole his banana. Huh. He was gonna sell that, so he stole it. You stole something that was How did it feel getting killed twice?
On it. I have no ammo.
I can eat this banana of mine.
How much money do I got?
Why shotgun works so much?
I found someone.
I buy you ammo.
Green.
Purple, where's my thank you?
Green.
I saved your life. I grabbed that blue.
If you buy me ammo, I'll shoot whoever you need to.
Oh my god, you could have
Move.
Stupid.
Literally anybody in the server.
I'm in.
Alright, who you want me to shoot?
Shoot the purple guy.
Purple?
Rub that armpit.
Got purple.
I want my radio.
Shoot orange.
Why you try the fourth time?
Got you.
Shoot him! Shoot him!
What? I didn't do
Do anything!
I didn't do anything.
I bought that
Are you?
Ooh, more ammo. Did you buy this? Who bought the ammo?
Oh,
Was it green?
Right here. Right here. Okay.
Oh.
Alright. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
Shoot orange! Shoot him! My banana back. Get him!
Go get your banana.
Buddy, you're
Yeah.
worth nothing.
That's my
Someone just
banana.
got blew up.
No, you
I'm sorry,
stole it
bro.
from
I
me.
said I said
You were
whoever
the
gives me.
You were the one who stole my backpack.
I'm sorry, Orange. I said if you buy
stole
me
my
ammo, I'll
backpack.
give you. I'll kill whoever you want.
This is your flashlight here.
That's not my fault. Orange, that was kind of. Oh. Well,
Anybody here? Anybody here?
Here, Mayday. Mayday, anybody
Orange.
here? Skibidi doctor.
I need
Skibidi.
orange. That was
Yeah,
kind of
yeah,
my
yeah.
fault.
Why?
Because I
I'm
said
here.
whoever buys me ammo, I'll shoot
Anybody
whoever
here?
they want me
Anybody
to.
here?
So that was kind of my fault. He kind of
I
bought
don't-
me
Oh
ammo,
man, I want to buy ammo.
and then he.
But all I
Skibidi
got is
John.
this. Can you explode
Yo,
him?
God, this is my first time playing.
Can somebody teach me?
I'm gonna assassinate myself.
I just got 47 bucks. I'm gonna go to now. Everyone, I need help.
I ran out of ammo.
Roger, I need help. This is my first time playing.
Yeah.
Like learning. I don't.
Orange, orange,
Bro, we
orange.
do not care.
Please, no.
Come here.
Roger, where's everyone? Can you shut up?
For 1 second.
God,
There
do
you
y'all
go.
want to go over there? I heard on TikTok.
Guys, I'm in the video.
I learned this game.
Oh.